Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about how to make a multi-language website in HTML. Means if you want to add some content in Hindi or in Punjabi or some in another language, then what step you have to follow. This is our topic now. Let's start with the topic. For this I will open an editor, that is Atom. Okay, this is up to you. Or requirement that which editor you want to use. If you want to use Sublime Text, you can download this particular editor. If you want to use Atom, you can download it from Google. Okay, you can choose any one of these. I will click on this particular editor, that is Atom. Now when you click on this particular editor, you can see its interface. Okay, you can see its interface. Now you can see. Now you all know that whenever I work, I just made a folder. Okay, my working folder is within the H drive, and I have just made a folder that is HTML files, and I am saving each and every file in this particular folder only. This is my working folder. Now what you have to do after opening this particular Atom editor, just go to File and click on Add Project Folder. Okay, you just have to add your project folder here. When you click on this particular folder option, then go to your H drive and go to your that particular folder which you have made, and just choose select folder from here. Okay, you can see a single pane over here, and each and every file will be get displayed in this particular pane over here. You can select the files from here easily, and its code, its content will be displayed over here. Okay, now I would like to add a HTML file over this particular folder. That file will be used to make a multi-language website. Okay, for that just go to File and click on New File. Just go to New File. Okay, when you click on New File, you will see untitled file. Save this file first. Go to File, click on Save, and name it. Okay, let I say multi-language, multi_language. Okay, and .html is the extension you all know of the HTML file, that is multi-language. Okay, save it. You can see our file is saving in this particular folder only, my working folder. Okay, click on Save. After saving the file, just try to write the code. Give the angle bracket HTML, and when it appears HTML, just press enter. When you press enter, you can see the basic structure of HTML will appear. In my previous video, I told you that what is doc type and what is HTML, and here it's a property language, that is English, and direction you can say LTR, that is called left to right. Okay, by default direction is left to right, and by default language is your English. Now say whenever you want to make a multi-language website, this meta tag is very important. Okay, this meta tag is very important. See, meta tag can be used for four purpose. Okay, you can use meta tag for four purpose. First one is you can use this for making a multi-language website. Okay, second, you can use this meta tag for search engine optimization. Okay, third, you can use it this meta tag to redirect a page from one page to another page. Okay, and the fourth one, you can use this meta tag to make a responsive web pages. Okay, in my further videos I will make these videos about this particular meta tag, that how you can use meta tag for redirecting a page, for responsive web pages, and for your search engine optimizations. Okay, now in this video I am going to use this meta tag for multi-language support. You can see meta is a tag, character set is a property, and UTF-8 is a value. You know what is UTF? UTF is for Unicode Transformation Format. Okay, I just write it a comment over here, that is UTF. Okay, that is called Unicode Transformation Format. Okay, this is the full form of your UTF. Okay, I just close the comment over here. Okay, this is the full form of the UTF. Now see, whenever you want to write some content in another language, maybe in Hindi or maybe in English, then what you have to do? You have to install further fonts, additional fonts of Hindi or Punjabi. They are called true type fonts. But if you are working in Windows operating system, you don't need to install any of the additional fonts of English, of Hindi or Punjabi or for another language. In Windows, we have inbuilt options to add another language keyboard. Okay, for that you have to follow some steps. See, what are the steps? you have to open the control panel first. Okay, just open your control panel. I just go to this particular window icon and search for control panel over here. Control panel. Okay, you can find it here. Just click on control panel. When you click on control panel, you can see that we have multiple options there. Look for this particular option, that is language. Okay, look for this particular option, language. You can see there may be different settings for each versions. Maybe there may be different settings in Windows 7. There may be different settings in Windows 10. Okay, I have installed Windows 8, so this is the setting of Windows 8. Okay, you can find it, language here. Just click on this. When you click on language, you can see we have a language installed, that is English. Okay, now I want to add some other languages, then look for this particular option, that is add a language. Click on this particular option, add a language, and you can see we have plenty of options available there. Okay, now from here, group language by. If I want to choose language name, you can choose it. If I want to choose writing system, you can choose this up to your own requirement. Okay, I just choose writing system. Just click on this option and you will see we have these languages available. Now I want to install a language, Hindi, or I want to use Punjabi. Find out that particular language. You can see this is here, Hindi. Click on this option, okay, and just press or click on that particular add button. Okay, you can see I have just added one more language, that is Hindi. If you want to add some more language, then again click on add a language and look for that language which you want to add. I want to use maybe Punjabi language. Okay, you can look for that particular Punjabi language over here, or you can press any of the language or press P. P stand for Punjabi. Okay, the first alphabet. You can see Punjabi, and the font of this is Gurmukhi. Okay, after selecting it, just click on add. Now you can see I have installed or added two additional keyboard languages onto this particular system. This is by default. Okay, after adding all the language one by one, just close this. Just close the control panel. Okay, I said that these settings may be different in each operating system versions. Okay, if you are using Windows 7, there may be different settings. If you are using Windows 10, there may be different setting. Okay, I have installed my Windows 8. Okay, so this is the setting of Windows 8. Okay, now after adding these particular languages as keyboard, you can see at the lower right corner, we have a option English. Okay, when you click on this, you can find that all three languages will appear over here. Okay, now by default language is of your English. This is a by default language of my keyboard. If I write any of the language, you can see the English language is, you can type. Okay, if I write over here, if I write, let it be multi-language. Okay, multi-language sport. Okay, now after this I want to write some content in Hindi. Okay, or I want to write some content in Punjabi. What you have to do, just place the cursor over here and just change the language from English to somewhere else, which I have just installed. Okay, go to that particular option at the bottom right corner, click on this particular English word and click on that particular language which I want to set. Now if I click on Hindi language, you can see its Hindi will appear over here. Now if you try to write within the keyboard, from the same keyboard, you can find that there will be a different language. You can see. Okay, now if I want to write the content in Punjabi, place the cursor over here and just try to change the language by clicking over here and choose the Punjabi Gurmukhi language. Now you can see, if you type, you can see a different language will appear like this. Okay, again if I want to set English language, you can see English language there. Just click on that particular English language. Now you can see all languages will appear in your English language like this. Okay, let it be this, I say this word, this one. Okay, now see why this meta tag is mandatory. Now if you see the preview of this web page in any of the browsers, it may not support this particular languages if you don't write this particular meta tag. This is in case of older browsers. Okay, if your PC has older browsers, then maybe your these particular characters in Hindi or English may not be there, your browser may not support this unless until you write this particular meta tag. Okay, if I see the preview, click on file and save the file and just preview it, go to that particular folder, okay, which I have just made, H2 files, and my file name is, that is multi-language. Just double click on this particular file, or you can right click and open with whatever browser you want to set. Let it be, I just choose Google Chrome. Okay, just click on this. When you choose Google Chrome, you can see your web page is supporting all the languages, that is English, Hindi and Punjabi. Okay, if you try to see the output in Mozilla Firefox in some another browser, you can see your this browser will also support these two particular languages. See, okay. Now see why this meta tag is mandatory. As I said, if you are using old browsers of Mozilla or Safari or somewhere else, or some other browsers, okay, then these languages may not be there. Okay, your browser may not support this unless until you write this particular tag. So it means writing this particular tag is mandatory in case of your supporting your multi-language website. Okay, now if you want to add your multi-language content on your website which you are publishing, okay, you can add languages of your keyboard from your Windows operating system itself. No need to install your fonts, okay, from your you can say your Google. Okay, now this is your example that how you can make a multi-language website with the help of your multi-language keyboard. If you like my video, then kindly subscribe my channel by pressing the subscribe button and kindly click on the bell icon. Okay, thank you.